Welcome back to Product Zones. After 1 week using this water bottle, it's amazing. Listen, it's a good quality. It's very heavy duty. It's my favorite part right now. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm getting to the point right here. Is this right here? This to me is called motivation. Right here, it said, let's do this. It's a great start. You got this. Halfway there. Feeling good. Keep it up. You did it. Very motivation right here. And it tells you all the different measurement right here in ml and ounce right here. Ml and ounce tells you all the different stuff. And what I like about it, it's really, you got a nice grip, a nice handle over here. Also, you could use this to hang it up, and it got a nice sturdy straw. So this is a half a gallon. Listen, it's a great quality. Just don't drop the bottle full. It's a nice wide straw. And what I like about this sent actually 2 head attachments. This one right here, I'm going to show you right here. So flexible, nice silicone straw here, really good, comfortable. You get good flow from it, what I love, and they send you a next one right here. This is a wide mouth right here without the straw. If you don't need the straw, you use this one. And it's leak-proof, BPA-free, seal tight. And it comes with a strap right here for putting on your wrist. The head comes with this strap right here, so you can hang it on your bike, you could hang it on your wrist or wherever you want. But I'm telling you, it's one of my favorite water bottles. I work out a lot. I do a lot of hiking, a lot of jogging, and I work out in the gym. So this right here, especially when I'm trying to flush my system out, drinking water is definitely a great way to lose weight and keep your body hydrated and stuff. Check in the link in the description below for a price and detail on this water bottle. And this company is a really good AQUAFIT, really good company to make top of the line water bottle. I highly recommend this from Product Zone. Listen, this is really good stuff right here. BPA free, really good quality, motivation water bottle.